2025 guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to sign up for Shopify's $1 trial plan and launch your store step by step. Let's get started. Step 1, visit Shopify. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. If you already have a Shopify account, log in. If not, click Start Free Trial or Get Started. Step 2, choose the $1 trial. On the pricing page, look for the special $1 trial offer. It's usually promoted during select seasons or marketing campaigns. Tap Start $1 Trial or Get $1 Trial to apply this deal. Step 3, create your account. Enter your email, password, and store name, then click Next. Shopify will then set up a new store with the trial pricing applied. Step 4, set up your store. Quickly fill in the setup questionnaire like your business type and products. Shopify will use this info to tailor your store settings. Step 5, select a payment plan. Once your store is created, go to Settings, Plan, Compare Plans. Your trial period will show that your first month costs just $1, and you'll be able to pick any plan, Basic, Shopify, or Advanced. Step 6, enter payment method. Shopify requires a payment method to activate your plan. Tap Add Payment Method, enter your credit card or PayPal details, then confirm the $1 charge. Step 7, launch your store. After activation, you're in. You can now customize your theme, add products, and publish your store. Enjoy the full Shopify experience for just $1. Tip, set trial reminder. Shopify trial plans automatically renew after the trial ends. Set a calendar reminder a few days before your first billed month so you can evaluate if you want to continue. Outro. And that's how you sign up for Shopify's $1 trial plan and start selling right away. If this video helped you, tap like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and comment below with your store link. Thanks for watching.